Hi again. In this video I'm going to present you the employee per year tab. It is quite improperly named employee per year because it is related to client per year also. So as its name tells you, you have the ability to preview all the stats related to any employee or to any client for an entire year. Basically, what you have to do is to select the year, like we have here 2025. Select if you want to preview an employee or a client from this list. And once you selected if you want to preview an employee or a client, you have to go into the third option and select the employee name or the client name. And as I'm showing you right now, I want to see an employee and I have selected Michael Johnson. Okay, if you want to preview another employee, just select another employee, and let's select the Jessica Smith because I have more data related to it recorded in the training logs. So I have selected Jessica Smith and I have here all her details. I have this small summary, total module trainings. She was assigned. Four of them are completed, one in progress, nine schedule. I have these same statistics for the total modules with four completed, one in progress, and nine schedule with this chart. And also I have the trainee breakdown based on every main training categories. And if you remember, training categories are these training categories from here, like compliance trainings, leadership management, and so on. So every module from here, it is related to a training category. Okay, and these are the trainings for the leadership and management training. Jessica Smith has a tendency to two modules from this trainee category. Okay, we have all the months from 2025 and or for any selected year. So if I updating the year here, I will see nothing because I have no training modules recorded in training logs for 2026. So going back to 2025, you will see immediately all the data recorded. So I have all the months for the selected year and everything breakdown by the day of every month. Okay, so I see Jessica Smith on January 12 participated on the module on 19 January, and you have the abbreviation for every module. Remember, modules are here and these are the abbreviation. Right now it might seems a bit overwhelming, but these are the just the data recorded here. But once you will record your own training categories and your own training modules, and you will assign these training modules to a specific category, I'm most than confident that you will know what all these abbreviation means. Right now it seems confusing, but these are daily data and it is normal for you to not understand what this means. But when you will define your training modules, I'm most confident that you will know what each one it means. Okay, in case I want to see a specific client instead of a specific employee, you just go here and select clients. You'll get this notification. Please update your selection because you have selected clients, but here you have employee. So once you click on this drop down, instead of employee, you will have now clients, and you select client. And once you do that, you have all the trainings for that specific client. Okay, and exactly the same data with the statistics for the modules completed, in progress, scheduled, and how many uh, modules for every main category of trainings he has completed. So we have two modules. We will recognize these based on color coding because we see the category of trainings, compliance training is assigned red, and also the modules, once we select here, it will be color coded red, and in the calendar this will be reflected as red, and everything is built for you for the best visualization. Okay, I hope this is clear. And once again, if you want to see an employee, select employee here and select an employee name, and everything will be displayed nicely. If you want to see a specific client, select client, go into the clients list and select whatever client you like, and you'll be presented with all the details related to that client. Okay, that is all you have to do here. Select year, client or employee, and specific client or employee, and the calendar will be automatically updated, and all the stats will be presented to you nicely without being forced to do absolutely anything. I hope you find this helpful. In the next video I'm going to present you the employees per month. Thank you.